the special battery we bought for the camper, and we hope to have a lot of fun with it, and we're now going to unbox it. It's from a German brand, I understood from my wife, Bluetti. The reviews are well, so we hope that it will become a very nice thing to have in the camper. There's even a certificate with it, a booklet. So we'll put this aside. And then there's this small box. I don't know what's in it. Some cables some cables to plug it into the 12 volts of the camper itself. Put it on the 230 volts. And this is, I think, some other thing to connect it to other devices, I assume. So I'll put this aside also. And then hopefully, when we get this out, there is the device it's all about. It's quite heavy. When I got it from the postal office, they had trouble carrying the whole package because it's quite heavy. And now I understand. And also on this side, this is the AC input on this side for the 230 volts. There's even a fuse there. And on the other side there's nothing, and on the back side also. Here you can connect to 230 volt devices. A total of 1800 watts, so it should be possible to even have a boiling water device connected to it, or like a water cooker, and maybe even an air fryer if it's not carrying too much. You can connect two devices on 230 volts with a total of 1800 watts, which means that if you have a water cooker that's not taking too much power, it can be connected. Even an air fryer if it's not taking too much. So the normal devices probably cannot, but if you have a special camper water cooker or camper air fryer, you can probably connect them to this device. Nevertheless, I think if you connect something that takes a really lot of power, it's possible that you empty this battery quite quickly. So I wouldn't do that too much, but it's possible. And of course you can connect your laptop or your radio, your television. You can connect it to this. I think I can recommend it not connecting things that take too much power, because it will take too much from the battery. Also, you have several USB connections. So it even says these two with 3 ampere. This one of these two also, and there's even a USB-C connector where you can connect devices up to 100 watts, so that's quite a lot. And of course the normal 12 volt cigarette connector, and here's a 12 volt 10 ampere, so it's quite heavy. That's where the other connectors were for, I think. So you can connect quite a lot. If it comes to things on USB, you can probably use this device for hours and hours and hours, even a few days. If you connect more heavy devices, it will probably drain the battery more quickly. But nevertheless, we're happy with it.